No animals were harmed in the making of this film. Or were they? What's up and welcome to vlog number 41. And today, is the Memorial Day. So go Bear Grylls, because he was in the army. And today, I don't really know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go eat maybe. I don't know, do something fun, a little fun, I don't know. Or go play some putt-putt maybe. No. Go to the Skywheel. I filmed there, but I haven't uploaded stuff, or it kept saying failed to upload, and I just deleted the videos and stuff. It's a big Ferris wheel, but it's a Skywheel. It's like really big. There's one in Britain or whatever. Called Skywheel, I think. Yeah. We might go to eat. I just said. Go walk on the beach. God, I hit a rock. Something, but we'll see. What? Oh yeah, I might build some Legos. And I'll see you guys later. But no, I got a cut on my eye. Yeah, it's bad. And we'll see. Oh. Oh. Ugh. Okay, I don't know actually what we're gonna do the rest of the day. We might go to a water slide. Actually, my mom was talking about we might do a picnic on the beach. We did that one time, but it like rained, and we sort of didn't do it. It looks like it actually might rain now. Well, no. But yeah, so I'll show that. It'll be cool on the beach. So yeah, guess what? My brother was just in a car crash. He died. No, he's fine. He's fine. And he got in a car crash. He's fine. And yeah.
You fat idiot. You're stupid. Crap. No, Myrtle. Okay. This is a little mean. She's fine.
Okay, this is gonna be the end of the vlog today. Oh, wait a minute. It's right there. Gum. Well, I guess I can't get to it. This is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys later.